Millennials and Gen Z. Can we talk about the giant elephant sitting on your home buying dreams? Affordability. It's the number one reason so many of you feel totally locked out of the housing market. A new Scotsman Guide article calls today's housing market K-shaped, meaning some buyers are moving up while first-time buyers are sliding down. Repeat buyers have equity, investors have cash, and first-time buyers, you're getting squeezed harder than ever. And I see it every day. You're saving, you're budgeting, you're tracking rates like it's a second job. But prices keep rising. Down payments hit their highest level since 1989, and nearly 30% of home purchases this year were made by investors. It feels like showing up to a marathon while everyone else gets to start at mile 18. So what's driving all of this? Not enough affordable entry-level homes. Sellers sitting tight because they don't want to trade a 3% rate for a 6% rate. Investors buying single-family homes because the returns are strong. And wages? They didn't grow fast enough to keep up with home prices. That combination creates an affordability crisis that hits millennials and Gen Z the hardest. But here's the part no one tells you. You don't need to wait for the perfect market. You need the right strategy. And that starts with getting pre-approved early so you know your real buying power. Use low down payment programs, exploring overlooked neighborhoods or condo options, considering house hacking or using rental income, build in a monthly payment plan instead of chasing a price. I help first-time buyers do this every day, especially in markets where affordability feels impossible. So if the market feels unfair, overwhelming, or flat out impossible, you're not crazy. And you're not alone. DM me the word home, and I'll send you my house hacking playbook, the exact strategy I use to help first-timers break into the market even when the odds feel stacked. Let's turn your frustration into a plan.